snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas.
Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is gonna be a cozy holiday bedroom decorate with me. So let's just go ahead and get started because I'm so excited.
Now this year is twice as special cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention. Giving you a smile, I can seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too. Like a vibration right between us with a beautiful two. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around.
Honestly, correct me if I'm wrong, but there is something about Christmas music that just melts my heart. And it's like Christmas just comes with this love, this joy, like, you know, even outside. It's crazy when you're outside, let's say you're shopping, it's like you just look at everyone's faces, you know, people are smiling, people are just, you know, very, very joyful, very happy. And I just want to extend, you know, this happiness to you guys. If you're going through something this holiday season, I just pray for the light, you know, to shine upon you. I just pray that, you know, that you see the joy in the season. I was just thinking about it and I was led to, you know, say this. But yep, guys, like I said from the beginning of today's video, this is going to be a bedroom makeover, a bedroom decorate with me. And of course, we're starting with our Christmas tree. As you guys can see, to this Christmas tree, I really fought hard, you know. I really thought of what to do with the Christmas tree in our bedroom, and at the end of the day, I would say at the dying minute, I just decided to go with green and gold. And I just fell in love with the whole, you know, color when I was all done. But yeah, as you guys can see, I went in with some ornaments, some balls, some flowers. Like I always tell you guys, adding some flowers in your Christmas tree always makes it look really, really nice. It makes it look like designer like. It makes it look, you know, very, very nice. That's the right word. But yep, you guys, as you guys can see, I added some ribbons, some balls, and also some flowers. I kept it really, really, you know, minimal for the bedroom tree. And over here, as you guys can see, I'm going in with some flower picks to for some reason, I just love the way using flower picks at the top of your Christmas tree. I know a lot of people, some people use star and things like that, but for this one, I just decided to add some flower picks, and I absolutely love how the whole, you know, look of the tree came out. And of course, this is going to be a very quick video. As you guys can see, it took me literally less than 30 minutes to do the tree, but of course, because we are editing, the tree took less than 3 minutes while by the time I was done editing. But yeah, I moved on to the bedroom, to the rest of the room, and as you guys can see, I already made up the bed, and we're going to also go with green, Christmas green and gold for the bed. And yeah, as you guys can see, I added my pillows. And over here, if you know me well, you know I absolutely love decorative pillows, you know, for my bed. So I went on and I added some green and also gold decorative pillows.
Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer.
And of course, if you're enjoying this video so far, kindly hit that like button below. And also, like I always tell you guys, if there's anything you see in my video you're interested in, definitely check the description box, because you guys know I got you. Like from what I have on, I absolutely love this shirt I have on. And guys, this was unplanned. Like when I decided to wear this, right? But for some reason I didn't remember that the theme of the bedroom was had green on it, right? It was when I was decorating, I was like, oh my gosh, I looked at my shirt, I was like, the shirt actually have, you know, kind of green, you know, touches on it, which I absolutely love. I just love that shirt so much. But yep, guys, as you guys can see, I'm going in to add this you know, mattress quilt, which I absolutely love. It also, you know, goes with the green family. As you guys can see, for the bed, I kept it really nice and Christmassy. For some reason, green just makes that, you know, very nice Christmas color. Of course, green and red is actually the main Christmas colors, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. And yep, guys, it took me a while for the bed, but over here I'm gonna move on to the wingback chair, you know, by the nook in our bedroom. And as you guys can see, I also went with, you know, a green throw pillow. If you're finding it difficult, like making your maybe your bedroom or your decor look really nice and plush, try adding a lot of pillows, because if you guys know me well, you know I don't joke with my decorative pillows. I just love, you know, the way decorative pillows make any like bed or any chair look. But yeah, over here I'm going ahead to add some decorative piece on our console table, or should I say on our sideboard. But yeah, guys, I believe that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please don't forget to hit that like button below, and till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.